Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to see how you can log into your Kraken account. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is make sure that Kraken is installed on your phone. So after making sure that, you can simply just open the application. And after opening the application, here you can see there is two different options, sign in and create account. All you have to do is tap on the sign in button right here. After doing so, you have to now type in email or your username that you used in order to create your Kraken account. So I'm going to type down my email address. And after writing down your email address, you have to tap on the password button right here and then start typing your password. So after typing down your password, now tap on continue. So after tapping on continue, here you can see since I am logging in with a new device. So since I'm logging in with a new device, you'll be getting an email from Kraken. So you have to go back to your email and open your mailbox. And here you can see this is the mail that Kraken has sent me. So tap on it. And in here you can see this is the mail and all you have to do is tap on approve device. So after tapping on approve, here you can see we have now successfully been logged into our account. Here you can tap on your profile right here and you can see your mail address right here, and like this you know that you have successfully been logged into your Kraken account. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.